Put two in, maybe put two in this last one here. That's kind of quite nice and housey. Maybe a little bit boring at the beginning of every bar, so we could just move that along a bit. So maybe shorten this one down. We can start building different melodies with this same kind of sampled piano, and maybe some of them could even work together once we start layering them up. Let's try these two together. Or we can have a question answer between those ones, so it could go. And then, so let's do that. Let's go. Get rid of these notes here. Deactivate these notes. And let's get this one. Second bar, so we have the, let's get 3 here, and let's get to make this one even longer. 4 bars. Duplicate is what I want to do here, so let me duplicate this here. Let's deactivate the notes in the second part here. Let's see how this works as a question answer. Let's shrink it down like this. Do it like this instead. Let's make this one, so we are only looping this much here, so now we have a kind of question answer thing going on between those chords that we had. So I'm just going to put this in G minor again, using the hack that I explained in my music theory hack. So I'm just going to grab all the white notes from A to A, because that's my minor scale. So let's do it up here. So I'm just going to go A. Now I'm going to move this to G, because we were writing in G minor. So I'm just going to move this down to G. Now I'm going to duplicate that, shift up, make another one, shift up, make another one, shift up, make another one, shift up, make another one. And now I've got quite a wide range of notes. I'm going to start this at position 2, 1 bar long. And now I should have and when I fold this here, I should have my G minor scale here. So let's just put a G chord in here. Let's go quite low. I quite like low chords for the dubby stuff. Let's solo this as well. A little bit lower if you go. Just put a G chord in here, so G minor. Let's press. So you can already hear that that's sounding like a dub techno chord, right? So I'm going to just mess around with this, get some different frequencies in here, and then turn these feedbacks up and change the delay time so we get a nice delay on here. Oh, where did I put that? Totally the wrong place. So let me just grab that from there and put that in series on my analog there. That's already sounding nice. Obviously I can automate these as well. Automate this frequency here. That's kind of quite nice. So now if I sample that, so I'll freeze that track again and flatten it. Because we've used a different sound, we're going to get a very different sounding chord out of that. So let me just create a MIDI track in here. Put that into there. Still kind of quite housey, but depending on the sound you use, you know, you can get a lot more kind of ravey stuff out of it as well.
Hi, this is Roger Sanchez.
Hi, this is Lenny Fantani.
Hey guys, this is Jackie.
Hi guys, Amber D here.
Hi, I'm Paul Maddox.
This is Saytek.
Hi, this is Kyle V, and you're watching
Mixmasters TV,
where you can access world-class producers in your studio
Every single day.